So hey, what is up guys, it's Mans and I'm back with another video. You guys are suggesting me to make my specification videos in English. So I have think about it and I have made this video in English. So you can better understand my words. So let's get started. So guys, in the description I have given you some timestamps. You can check them out. They will help you to go on the best part of the video. I have got some leaked specification of Asus Zenfone 7 and 7Z like performance, camera, battery, launch date and pricing. So let's get started with the performance. Both of the devices are powered with the Snapdragon 800 series processor. The Asus 7 is powered with the Snapdragon 865. Asus 7Z or 7 Pro will be powered with the Snapdragon 865 Plus processor. The graphic chipset that is used in this device is 650. So it's great, and you will get a 8 gigabytes of RAM and 512 GB of internal storage. They are the octa-core processor clocked at 2.84 GHz and architectured at 64-bit. So let's move on camera. Both of the devices will come with the same mechanism that will used in the Asus 6 series. In this time, the camera setup was a quad camera setup. The main sensor was 64 megapixel Sony sensor, and you got a 12 megapixel ultra wide sensor and a 8 megapixel depth sensor and 5 megapixel macro sensor. Let's move on battery and charging department. The device will come with the 6000 mAh of battery and a 55 watt of fast charging. All through the device will come with a USB type C port that will enhance your experience with this device. Let's move on the display. The display was the highlighting point of this device. It comes with 6.67 inches OLED display with 120Hz screen refresh rate along with the 1080 into 2400 pixel density. Screen is protected with the Gorilla Glass 6 and the fingerprint was located under that display. It was a 7th generation in-display fingerprint sensor. Let's talk about some other sensors and ports. It comes with light sensor, gyro sensor, accelerometer and etc. All through the device will also come with a 3.5 mm jack. So it's great. All through the device is a complete package, and let's talk about its pricing and its launch date. So the pricing of this device might be the $460, and if we convert it into Indian prices, it might be 35,000. Yes, it might be 35,000. And let's talk about its launch date. It might be get launched in in August, between 24th August to 29th August. So it's all. So I hope you like the video. If you enjoyed the video, do hit the like button, and also you can subscribe this channel for more specification videos.